We're replacing a timer here. I'm gonna try to do this in real time for you guys. What you want to do is find out which timer you need. This one, what you do is you would just test your your power wires here, and it will tell you if it's a 22110, or you check your breakers in there. If you got the double bar, if it says 20 or 10, that will tell you. So if it's 20, we're gonna run with a T104, and all you want to do is take a picture of what you got going on here and just rewire the clock the exact same way. We're also doing we're replacing the pump over here also. You know, if you want to replace the pump without redoing all the plumbing, just take your basket loose right here. There's 4 bolts. Take it loose, pull your the pump plate, the pump and the motor out. We're going to unloose this band and replace the front part of this motor here. That's old Kurt Coring over there, the master plumber. But yeah, so all you want to do really is you just want to match it up. That's it. Simple as that. Your mechanism is going to look the same, so all you're going to do is put your wires right back to where you remove them from. And that'll be all. But we're going to do this in real time. Why Kurt does that in real time. Make sure you kill your breakers. Rule number 1, kill the power, or it might kill you. Hey, kill.
We're on the same page, boss.
Yeah, kill the power, or it may kill you. You got a whole nice flathead in here. Kurt has everything under the sun. You could break down in the desert. As long as Kurt has his backpack, we're good. Ground, power, these 2 on the end. So what I do, trying to show you guys a easier way to do it, like when you're, so it may take me a second here, so I'll go here. So you know you got that, and you know the last two, the 2 hot wires go on these final 2. So then you just want to pull your mechanism out. There's a clamp right here. Pull it there, up, out. This is gonna pop back in. Good over there, Mr. Kurt?
Yeah, are you replacing just the front half of the pump?
Just the front part.
Do I have to take the half of the pump off the motor?
Nope, that's the plate, no. Yeah, we're just gonna replace the front part. One of those deep sockets should.
Yeah.
Put your round on. This pump's a little, this timer's a little lower, so I know you're probably having a hard time seeing it all from here, but I'm trying. But you got the logistics of what's going on. Tighten that on there. Get that back in there and you're good to go.